Hello, and thank you for joining me again. This is Byron at Home Bodyweight, Home Fitness, Home Exercise channel. What we're going to do today is I'm going to do some leg exercises. I'm going to do some leg lifts, and I'm going to use the chair the two nightstands to do it for support, mainly for support. And I'm going to do one leg at a time. It's actually quite easy. So if you find it hard to work out your legs at home, if you use anything, common items like chairs, nightstands, countertops, things like that, you can easily do them at home. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick my leg out like this, okay? And I'm just going to, I'm putting my foot out about a half yard, or so let's say 1.5 feet from the nightstands, and I'm just crossing my knee over to the other side. I'm only going up about halfway, because it makes it a little more challenging rather than extending all the way up. It's actually a different type of challenge, okay? So it gets difficult pretty easy. And then I'm going to do the other one. So you do one leg at a time. All right. And I'm pretty far out from the nightstands. And I'm just using the nightstand so I don't fall over. So pretty much all my body weight is on my feet. Okay? So let's switch back. This is actually pretty challenging. It may not look like much, but when you cross your knee over, it keeps the motion straight, and then you just lift straight up. And then you stop about middle of the range. Switch over to the other foot. Okay, like so. You can see my positioning looks a little bit odd, but it actually creates a lot of resistance on your leg, especially when you stop in the middle of the range. Okay, so that is it. And then maybe take a momentary breather, then go right back into it. The legs are big muscles, so they can take it. They can take a lot of, punishment and abuse. Oh. All right, and then switch over to the other one. Again, I'm crossing my knee over to the other side, as you can see. Okay, take a quick breather. And if you want to get a quick superset, you will feel the burn pretty quickly in your legs from that. You can grab the side of it here and do a little bit closer angle. Okay, just to do a quick superset. Target it from a different area. Switch over to the other side. Okay, put my hand like so. Notice I'm crossing my knee over to the other side again. Whew. And you will feel the burn. Okay, let's go back over to the other side here. And just using the nightstand for support. This one coming on full extension. Because I'm closer to the nightstand. It's a full extension, full leg extension. Okay, nightstand for support. Boy, you will feel the burn after a while. All right, let's go back to this one. So again, extend my foot out about 1.5 feet from the nightstand. Just go straight up. Woo! Boy, and the combination of these together really just attacks the leg muscles from different areas. Okay. One more time. Just about a half extension. Oh, yeah, I feel that. Okay. Half extension. Oh, yeah. Okay, and one more time. Oh, okay. Let's go back to these. So hold on to the nightstand for support. Cross my leg over. Oh, I'm feeling the lockup right away there. All right, so let's go back to this one. Feeling the lock. Oh, yeah, it's pretty good. Okay. Let's go back to this one again. Okay. This one. Okay. Let's take a quick breather. And that's a pretty effective workout. We're not getting the calves in this workout. We're only getting the thighs, really. Okay. So let's go back to this. Again, 1.5 feet. Oh God, I'm really feeling the burn now. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Ooh, pretty quick lock there. All right, let's go back to this one. And down, up. Oh, quick lock. Okay, here. All right, woo. So, okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get a quick calf raise. Again, using the 2 nightstands, just get a quick calf raise in there, just to work your calves out. All right. Always want to work your calves out as much as the rest of your leg muscle, otherwise it looks really strange. I'm just using the nightstand mainly for support, to support part of my body, like as I do the calf raising, so I don't fall over. And then just get the quick calf raise in there. Get nice and toned, toned calves look good. Okay. Just lift up, get a quick little calf raise in there. One more time. I cross my knee over to the other side as I'm doing them too. Just to, to give you a straight up motion. Kind of center yourself, give you a straight up motion. All right, so one more. All right, and that is about it for the leg workout for today. So, just remember you can use nightstands like I'm using. You can use chairs, anything to get a nice little leg workout. It's really not that hard. Just remember to challenge yourself. Always get a couple supersets, or you don't have to go to complete fail each time. Just vary your workouts. Get a couple add-ons or supersets in there to give yourself an additional challenge. But anyway, thank you for joining me. Cheers, and thank you for sticking in there. Keeping motivated to do exercises at home. I know it can be difficult during these times, but just keep busy all the time. That's one of the best ways to stay motivated, especially when you're going through times like we're going through now. But anyway, thank you very much. And home fitness, home body weight, home exercise fans, always keep motivated to do whatever it is you do, if it's working out or something else. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye-bye.